At least, ang pastime ko, patay ng mga masamang tao. Hindi ko inuubos yung panahon ko sa huwag tayo kayo basta nag-backbite tayo. Hindi ko inuubos ang panahon ko dyan. I use it to think of ways to help my countrymen. Wala na nga ako, patay na ako. Alam mo kung magtanong ka, Mayor, it is good to be president. I tell you now, do not. Do not. Ako na imbir na lang kasi ako, nadala ako sa mga gago, takbo-takbo ka. And I was marveled, I was accelerated beyond expectations because naman totoo yung last election and every place, always a multitude of crowds. Hindi ko alam na yun na pala yung 6 million kong lamang. So, wala akong partido, wala akong pera. What is the message? And I'll end my talk with this. The message is, hindi nila ako kilala, hindi naman ako gwapo. I am not a national figure. But they heard my message. Ang messaging doon, korupsyon, drugs, criminality, and of course, yung talagang, yung gusto lang, guy who would simply work there, be content with his salary, and maybe after 6 years, go down and die peacefully. Maraming